Okay, commercial interiors manufacturing, they were one of our first ones to install. Austin, the floor is yours.
Hi, I'm Austin. I'm a COO here at Commercial Interiors Manufacturing. We make a lot of kind of unique products where our main customer is quick service restaurants, and we do all the interior millwork, things like interior doors, ceiling elements, wall paneling, solid surface products. Casework is something in 2016 we decided to kind of expand our business into. So we don't have too much of a how were we doing it before, but we had the opportunity to come to these seminars, look at different types of machinery, softwares, and pick which ones were the best to position us in a position to be state-of-the-art manufacturer. So we chose Production Coach to kind of help us get cabinets done. Kind of like everybody else, the implementation was very short, and the structure that it provided us, I mean, we weren't doing it before, so it's kind of hard to imagine it, but the organization it gave us is just impossible to imagine trying to do it without it. One thing we're right now and kind of in the middle of doing, because Caseworks is such a small portion of our business, is we're going to be expanding Production Coach to everything else in our shop, which is mostly nothing that goes through design. It's all just stuff printed off a work order, certain quantities of different products. But it's pretty unique in the fact that just about everything we make takes different part flows through the shop, but we really see applications for Production Coach to track all that stuff and pull it all together and help organization. Even though it's typically sold to casework manufacturers, there's a big application in all the random things that just get printed and don't get designed. One area that we're kind of having an issue that we're looking to make a pretty big impact is when we do interior doors. It's really hard to track. You know, we may have 10 different colors and 5 different sizes going on every day, and it gets difficult to track, did everything get done and that we didn't miss one piece. We work on very short lead time, so if we get down to assembly and realize we missed something, it really hurts. Right now our guys have checklists. It's very manual. They have to stick work orders on so they're visible, go back after the fact, review a checklist, compare that to the schedule, kind of like Kent mentioned about lean. You know, one big thing lean talks about is quality at the source, building things like checklists into your work process so you're not going after the fact and reviewing it and now you got to start back at the beginning to get a part made. We really see the Production Coach to have applications there, so just with one look at the screen our guys can see, oh, I missed the door. I better go ahead and get that done before I get everything finished, and then we got to start from scratch. We're in the middle of getting all that done, but we really feel very confident that it's going to add a huge impact to what's really 90% of our business we do here, and in a pretty unique way that you don't so often see it talked about. So excited for the future of that and all the applications that that's going to allow us to organize and pull together in our business.
Great. Thanks a lot. We appreciate your report, Austin.